Hey everybody, welcome to the Makati district of Manila. It is Friday night and it is payday here in Makati. And of course that means everyone's out and about, eating at restaurants, having lots of fun, drinking at bars. And since Makati is one of the central business districts of Manila, it is a pretty big hotspot for the eating, the drinking, the havings of funds. So tonight I got invited out by some friends of mine to eat at one of the local eateries here. Most of the restaurants in Makati are all indoors, air-conditioned, has all the modern amenities and comforts, but there is a certain one called Pares Point that is, I believe, what they call a caranderia, which basically means a local eatery that's more in the traditional style of the Philippines. And of course there's very traditional food here. They're known for a dish called pares, which I'm not even quite sure what it is. I think it's a kind of soup. So I'm looking forward to trying that. But let me take you along to show you all the cool stuff about this traditional spot in a modern part of Manila. Let's do the thing. Apparently small things are 4 inches in the Philippines. I think I'm safe. And here's Abby holding the fort down, reserving the table for us. How are you? Oh, the rest showed up just in time.
Customer number 17.
So I ordered the bone marrow with, what'd you say this was?
Special pares with bone marrow.
Special pares?
Because it has an egg.
Oh, the egg makes it special. Well, you're full of eggs. Does that make you special?
Yes.
Oh, full of special, I would say so. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
You said the soup is unlimited?
Yes, it's unlimited. You can ask for a refill.
You can just go up and ask for soup and they'll give it to you.
Yes, it's totally free.
Amazing. I love these caranderias. How do you say it?
Carinderia.
Caranderia. The best. Okay, I'm trying the pares now. Some kind of thick soup with some meat, egg, cabbage it looks like.
Perfect setup sa my perfect setup.
Very meaty, very umami. It's really good, guys. Yeah, all I can say, it's salty, lots of flavor. Get up close to this bone marrow. Okay, check that out, my people. Look at that. Straight from the femur. So full of flavor. Marrow is cooked so well. I love it. This is awesome, guys. And don't forget the special part. How do you rate the pork belly? 9 out of 10. Amazing. You got pares too?
I only got pares. Still 10 for me.
10 out of 10. Is this a normal spot for you?
Yeah, it's a hangover spot.
Yes, perfect for Saturdays, but we're here on a Friday night.
Yeah.
So this is like the pre-hangover.
Yeah, totally, man.
What is this that you're eating?
Well, they said it's special mommy.
Special mommy.
It's just regular. Well, she said it's just a regular mommy, but it is special.
Okay.
It's delicious. Yeah.
We-
I'm looking for the egg though. There's no egg there.
There's no special egg in the special mami.
So it's regular.
Too
There's
bad.
no egg here.
But if you want a meal on the cheap, that is like 56 pesos. Super cheap. I'm assuming this is the double special crispy pork, right? Bagnet silog. Looks absolutely delicious. So I'm very full right now. This it's all empty. I don't even want any more of the free soup, okay? It is hot out here, if you haven't noticed. Very much sweating. They should think about putting some AC and some walls in here. But other than that, it's a great place.
May mas malaki din eh.
Okay.
Kain na ako.